everyone. So, nandito ako ngayon sa alaga ko. Ngayong lunch, I'm gonna make some fried chicken for her and some mixed vegetables. And there's some leftover shepherd's pie. I'll mix it together. Okay guys, be with me. Bye. Ngayon guys, titimplahan natin yung chicken ng ang timpla ko lang seasoning salt. Ito lang yung itimpla ko guys, seasoning salt ito, at saka garlic salt, at saka itong cumin guys. Ito siya, ano ba ito? No, the mustard. I'll mix some mustard here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna timplahan ko na ito guys ha. Okay guys, ito na yung guys, yung chicken. Ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko diba siya ng garlic, seasoning salt, a little bit, tapos yung mustard. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng guys, yung minix ko yung flour at saka cornstarch. Then nilagyan ko ng garlic, mix it together, then coated the chicken, then fry them. And then, ito na to siya guys. Then ako, may mixed vegetable dito. Mayroon akong mixed vegetable. And then, may leftover siya na guys. May leftover siya na shepherd's pie. So, ko lang ito guys. Iinitin ko. So, ilagay ko ito doon sa kanya. Tapos, bigyan ko siya ng toasted bread. Isang toasted bread. So, ito na yung, hindi na guys. Hindi na ako magbigay ng toasted bread. Kasi mayroon na siyang mashed potato na itong shepherd's pie. Tapos, may vegetables. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng salt, guys, yung vegetables. Lagyan ko siya ng salt, ang mixed vegetable ko. So, malapit na ito guys. Then, kainan na. So, ito yung Okay, guys, I'm just enjoying myself. Gusto ko talaga na ang alaga ko, my client will eat good food. So, that's why I'm doing this. They don't really ask me to do it. I just volunteer because he has already some food, frozen food in the freezer. But I don't mind doing this, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. And see you. Okay. Next vegetable, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng, guys, margarine at saka salt. Para naman may lasa kay mama. Ito na, guys. Lagyan ko siya ng margarine. So, ayan na lang natin yun guys. Tapos, 4 yung fried chicken ko guys, diba? Ang niyan, 2 mamayang supper niya kasi ayaw ko siyang kumain ng, mayroon pa siyang shepherd's pie last time. So, kaya ayaw siyang kumain na lagi. At least mayroon namang ibang klaseng Okay guys. Balikan natin yung chicken natin guys. Baka sunod na ito. Kaya ito yung chicken natin. And guys this is her dessert juice, and I put some prune juice, fruit na tapos juice. So, ito na yung guys, luto na yung fried chicken. Ito na yung fried chicken for lunch. Then the leftover shepherd's pie last night, and then I make some mixed vegetable. So, that is her lunch, guys. She will enjoy it. I'm happy. Mama, it's ready now. The food is ready, Mama. Okay, Mama? So, that's Guy, and this is her supper, for tonight. Supper. So, put it in the Tupperware, guys. I just love what I'm doing for her. Guys, this is her supper tonight. But somebody will help her. I'm not gonna be here. So, I just like to prepare something. Because sometimes the home care, they are always in a hurry because they have lots of clients. So, I'm preparing fried chicken for supper and mixed vegetable for her. So, she will enjoy it. Okay, guys? See you again, guys. Supper's ready. All of that. Oh my goodness. Of course. I love my mama.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem, mama. I want you to enjoy. I know you like fried chicken.
I like it, but
Yeah.
this is
And this is, yeah, you love fried chicken. This is your juice. This is your dessert. And that's your fried chicken, mixed vegetable, and the shepherd's pie left over last night.
Thank you.
So you like it, mama, right? My mama.
Thank you.
That's why.
Thank you.
I hope you're going to enjoy the fried chicken.
Mama loves you too.
Oh, of course. I love you so much. You know that. You're such a nice mama. Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome, mama. Enjoy your fried chicken.
All right.
Okay, mama? I'm going to wash the plate here, mama. Okay? See you again, mama. I'm going to check on you. Kain tayo, guys. Lunch, I did it last night. But guys, ito yung dinig ko kagabi. Oh, yeah. Kain tayo. Are you okay, mama?
Yes, I'm okay.
Still enjoying the fried chicken?
Thank you.
Oh, welcome, mama. Anytime. You know, I like you a lot and I want you to eat nice food when I'm around.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome, mama. And you deserve it.
Thank you.
No problem. The chicken is good.
Very good.
Okay. You like chicken, mama, a lot. You can eat chicken every day?
Not really.
Back in your country, mama, in Egypt.
Oh yes, because we bring them up like we.
Oh, you have a chicken farm. That's nice. So somebody's taking care of your chicken farm?
No, we sold them before we came.
Oh. It's tasty, mama.
It's tasty.
So we call it in the Philippines torta. A
Torta.
torta, a snack.
In Arabic, it's a torta.
Oh, really? In Arabic, it's the same thing
Yes.
too. So that's nice.
Mm.
Do you like baking, mama?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I baked it last night. And I enjoyed it. It's not so sweet, right?
It's right, just right.
Just right.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is your tea and this is your juice. Okay, mama?
Oh, both.
Yeah, whatever you want. You don't need to drink it all. Whatever you like, there is so you can drink. So are you done here? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, mama. Tingnan mo guys. Tingnan mo, naubos yung pin-repair ko. Ubos lahat. Kasi gustong gusto niya na ano, yung fried chicken, yung mixed vegetable kasi may lasa yung guys. Lagyan ko ng butter, saka salt, saka yung shepherd's pie na sobra last night. So hindi na sayang guys kaysa itatapon. So ang gawin na lang, ano mo na lang, either i-recycle or just cook some fresh food to add with the leftover last night. Kaya ganun ang ginagawa ko lagi. Kaya nag-i-enjoy siya. Kaya okay guys. Bye. Tapos senior ko yung torta kong niluto kagabi guys. Gustong gusto niya. Kaya, you know, when senior ko sa kanya, yun ang ginawa kong dessert sa kanya sa lunch. Pero mayroon na siyang, ano sana, grapes, pero gustong gusto niya guys. Kaya nag-i-enjoy ang matanda. Kaya I'm happy doing things for somebody. Kasi nag-i-enjoy ka rin. Ang sarap. It's a good feeling when you cook and they like it. And that's why you have to cook the way you do it at home, because it doesn't mean you get paid. You don't care what they're gonna eat, so you have to care what they're eating because the children trusted you. Kaya her son and her daughter, both doctors, so they're trusting you to take care of their mom. So that's why I love doing this, and they really appreciate what I do. So that's nice. Okay, but guys.